Hello everyone, today I will introduce one of our infrared controller linear actuator for hospital bed. You can check this. And this is our SLA03 type of the linear actuator. You can check the details firstly. The mounting hole. And let us look the parameters. The 24 DC and the stroke is 2000. This is the controller box. Wireless controller, handset, power line. And this is in air rate. Now you can put here to this, and put here to this. If you are interested in this type of the linear actuators, you can contact with me.